staying one step ahead of the scammers requires you to be vigilant when checking emails and text messages and calls and all sorts of stuff. And the only way you can do that is by, you know, staying up to date with all the latest scams, but also sharing your experiences with other people and other people sharing their experience and vice versa, to help share the knowledge. You know, a great example of this is, you know, my mom sends me a ton of emails and text messages, screenshots that she gets of all different kinds of scams, stuff I've never even seen. The most recent one was just today. She sent me one showing that like her cloud storage was full and you need to click this link here to update your payment method to upgrade your storage size. You know, it was supposed to capitalize in on like, you know, a Google Photos cloud storage, but it didn't have anything Google related. I was like, this isn't your stuff. This is a scam. It's just a generic like screenshot showing, you know, your gigabyte storage is full and stuff. And she knew it was fake because it's not showing the actual company she's using for online storage, which is Google Photos. So she just immediately sent it to me and was like, hey, does this look like a scam to you? I'm like, yep, 100%. So yeah, just staying vigilant and sharing that knowledge, even little things like that, just screenshotting, you know, to a friend or to, you know, a son or daughter or, you know, family member. And, you know, just getting second opinions on stuff too helps a lot in this day and age. And that is going to be a big part of what you take away from this entire course. You know, we're going to try and teach you, you know, ways to detect certain scams and what to watch out for. But it really comes down to you, you know, paying attention to these signs and really taking in the information, and then also sharing your knowledge to help. You know, the less people who fall scam to it, the less effective it becomes, the less scammers there's going to be because they're not making as much money. So it's just kind of a vicious cycle like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just kind of wanted to get that knowledge out there for you guys. So, all right, we'll see you in another video.